Now, this video is specially made for mattress owner, as in this video, I have listed top 3 best mattress vacuum cleaner in the market. Plus, I have made this list with full of custom-fit mattress vacuum cleaner after performing research, which is based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, and other features of mattress vacuum. And for your convenience, I have given the link in the description so that you can quickly check out the best mattress vacuum cleaner. Furthermore, I have ranked them according to usability and compatibility with mattress so that you can choose them according to your requirement. Number 1. The JIGOO Mattress Vacuum Cleaner JV35 is a powerful and efficient handheld vacuum designed specifically for deep cleaning beds, sofas, and upholstered furniture. Equipped with 14 kilopascal strong suction and a 480 double motor, it easily removes dust mites, allergens, and pet hair embedded deep within fabrics. Its advanced UVC light technology effectively kills bacteria and mites, while the high heating system, up to 60 degrees Celsius, helps eliminate hidden allergens and moisture that can cause odors or health issues. The combination of vibration pad and suction ensures thorough cleaning by loosening and removing deeply embedded particles. Ideal for allergy sufferers and pet owners, the JV35 promotes a healthier sleeping environment. Its ergonomic design, washable filter, and easy-to-empty dustbin make it user-friendly and low-maintenance. If you're looking for a reliable, effective, and hygienic solution for mattress and fabric cleaning, the JIGOO JV35 stands out as one of the best mattress vacuum cleaners on the market. Number 2. The JIGOO T600 Mattress Vacuum Cleaner is a high-performance cleaning tool designed to eliminate dust mites, allergens, and bacteria from mattresses, sofas, and bedding. Featuring a powerful 700W motor and 15 kilopascal strong suction, it deeply penetrates fabrics to extract hidden debris. The integrated UVC sterilization lamp, ultrasonic mite removal, and 60 degrees high-temperature heating work together to sanitize and disinfect surfaces effectively. The smart dust sensor displays real-time cleanliness, while the dual dust cup system with a washable MEF filter ensures efficient particle separation and long-lasting suction power. Its wide suction port and metal roller brush deliver enhanced tapping and vibration to dislodge embedded particles. Compact and lightweight, the T600 is user-friendly and ideal for allergy sufferers. With features like aroma diffusion and low-noise operation, it brings hospital-grade cleaning to your home. The JIGOO T600 stands out as one of the best mattress vacuum cleaners for deep hygiene and comfort. Number 3. The Amzany 5-in-1 cordless mattress vacuum cleaner is a versatile and powerful cleaning tool designed for deep hygiene and allergen removal. Equipped with UVC light and ultrasonic technology, it effectively kills dust mites and bacteria, making it ideal for mattresses, bedding, and upholstered furniture. Its impressive 16 kilopascal suction power captures dust, pet hair, and fine particles with ease, while the cordless design ensures hassle-free movement across different surfaces. This vacuum cleaner also operates at low noise levels, making it convenient for use without disturbing others. The 5-in-1 functionality includes multiple cleaning modes and attachments, allowing for efficient cleaning of beds, sofas, curtains, and more. Lightweight and user-friendly, it is especially beneficial for allergy sufferers and pet owners. With its combination of smart technology and strong performance, this vacuum delivers hospital-grade cleanliness in a compact, modern form. It's one of the best mattress vacuums for thorough and convenient home sanitation. Thank you for watching, guys. The buying link is given in the description below so that you can check them on the Amazon.com and choose them accordingly. So that it's from this video. And I hope you like this video on Best Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. And if this video is helpful to you, please give us like, comment, and subscribe.